Now we're going to talk about how to use the miter gauge on the table saw. The miter gauge is located down here on the door. We'll go ahead and pull this off. So this is for whenever you want to cross cut on the table saw. Typically you wouldn't use this, but if you're cutting tendons or something like that, you would want to do it on here. The best way to cross cut is the miter saw over here. So this is the miter gauge. You can rotate it to different degrees, and there's a positive stop at 0. And I'm just going to go ahead and lock that down there. I'm going to get the fence out of the way because we never want to use the fence with the miter gauge at the same time. And I'm going to place it into the miter slot. Same rules apply. We want to raise and lower our blade until we get to the bottom of the tooth. I'm going to hold this piece of wood firmly against the miter gauge at all times. I'm placing my thumb on the miter gauge and I'm pinching the wood with my fingers. And I'll put my safety glasses on, of course. And we'll leave our cut off there until the blade has come to a complete stop, and we can safely grab our cut off.